Hello friends, today I am going to see you how to match text color with objects. To do this, just select the text, then click color font, click eyedropper. Now, if you want to match text color with this rose, then just click here. Or if you want to match text color with this rose, then just click here. Or if you want to change or match the text color with this rose, then just click here. In this easy way, you can easily change or match the text color with objects in PowerPoint 2016. Thanks for watching.